I jump to the water. And then I have a photo with the botanic. Yeah, because no matter what, you still can.
Yeah, you will be floating.
Oh, but I always when it's like that, I always hold to the boat side. It's different. He's a blanco. For me, it's morning. That's why here is clean and to be honest, it's very sad. Oh,
It's not the same in Lapu-Lapu, big though, big, but here they preserve the nature.
you can see the tree is inside the that's why I like Bohol. Bohol also is a lot of nature. You are doing your video?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are standing.
Hi, Kamutis! Hi, we are in the baby pool!
Yes, we are kids now.
We are a child! So you are the pool, there's no very deep. That's nice.
Okay, for the chat.
Oh. It's a nice, because you know why? You don't put, if have a deep one, you must put the person to be look.
Yeah, like that. Namin dapat
Pero, just,
Wait na the chat.
oh,